I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials: the courier receipt scan, tracking number, and your scenic. Once ready, open the HEC portal and sign in. Make sure to use the exact account tied to your application. Then navigate directly to the document upload or courier section. Don't search elsewhere. You do this now so the portal recognizes your file and links it to the correct application. Once logged in, verify the active application ID displayed, because that determines where the receipt will be attached. Next, you attach the receipt. Select the correct application ID, then click Upload and choose the file. Make sure the file meets allowed formats and size restrictions, otherwise the portal will reject it. Next, fill the courier fields: courier name, tracking number, and dispatch or received date, because those metadata link the receipt to the shipment. Once entered, preview the image or PDF to confirm legibility and accuracy. When everything looks correct, submit or save. The system should show a confirmation or upload timestamp. Finally, confirm completion. Look for an upload confirmation and a timestamp in your application's documents list. If the receipt appears, you're done. Note the reference number. If the status remains pending, wait a short processing window and refresh after 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to clear your browser cache and re-log in before re-attempting. If problems persist, rescan the receipt with higher resolution, re-upload, and contact HEC support, providing your application ID and tracking number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.